Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best tennis ball machine you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best tennis ball machine on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which tennis ball machine are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Nisplay Portable Tennis Ball Machine. The Nisplay tennis ball machine is small enough to fit in the trunk of your car. Its large wheels and 3-foot ergonomic folding handle make it simple to tote through grass, gravel, and obstacles. This tennis ball machine has been designed for maximum durability and to withstand continuous use. It is as huge as a basketball and weighs 26 pounds due to its ergonomic shape. This tennis ball machine has manual oscillation, a ball speed of up to 68 miles per hour, and an elevation range of 0 to 60 degrees, as well as a small, lightweight external lithium battery that is easy to transport, charge, and operate for up to 4 hours. A dual motor design can readily shoot the ball from end to end of the court at 1 to 10 seconds intervals. It also enables you to practice in a variety of modes, including topspin and backspin, regardless of whether you are a novice or an expert player. For a machine at this price point, the Nisplay N1 ball machine also has unrivaled spin control. The ball spin may be adjusted at various settings for both topspin and backspin. The Nisplay tennis ball machine is a dual motor system that provides outstanding power and performance. This machine can handle it all, whether you're practicing your ground strokes, volleys, or lobs. Increase the intensity of your training sessions and take your talents to the next level. For details, let's watch more. Our second best tennis ball machine is Lobster Sports Tennis Ball Machine. The Elite Liberty Ball Machine also offers unequaled spin control for a machine at this price point. The ball spin may be adjusted at various settings for both topspin and backspin. Lobster Sports created the Elite Liberty Tennis Ball Machine to challenge beginners. It is a distinctively designed, user-friendly product with expanded functionality at a reasonable price. This tennis ball machine has been designed for maximum durability and to withstand continuous use. It is lightweight due to its 35-pound ergonomic design. The Elite Liberty Tennis Ball Machine is lightweight and portable. Its large wheels and 3-foot ergonomic folding handle make it simple to tote through grass, gravel, and obstacles. This tennis ball machine has manual oscillation, a ball speed range of 20 to 70 miles per hour, an elevation range of 0 to 50 degrees, and a small, lightweight battery that can run for 2 to 4 hours. The big, 8-inch all-terrain wheels on the lightweight, 35-pound Elite Liberty make it easy to push or pull the bike over any surface. The Liberty, with its inverted hopper and folding handle, is easy to take to and from the court in your trunk or even your car seat. The optional external battery pack extends the court time by 4 to 8 hours. The basic charger has an average charging period of 12 to 24 hours. The premium charger cuts charging time down to 1 to 3 hours. With our optional Elite remote, you can control both the feed and the sweep operation on any Elite ball machine. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Spinshot-Player Tennis Ball Machine. Spinshot-Player is the world's most advanced battery-powered portable tennis ball machine. The revolutionary design allows you to customize your drills and program height, direction, spin, and speed for each of 6 successive shots, which you can then save into your personalized exercise. Simple programming allows you to create 2-line drills of any width and height. You can create vertical oscillation using coupled horizontal oscillation or any other oscillation mode you desire. Because of the unique design, you may create your drills by programming height, direction, spin, and speed for each of 6 sequential shots and then saving these into your personalized drills. The equipment comes with 12 pre-programmed drills that allow you to practice a wide range of shots. You can modify each of these drills to suit your skill level or build your own. For simple programming and control, a free phone remote app is supplied. A remote watch, which is optional, can also be used to control the machine. Fully programmable drills, 120 ball capacity, easy transport, free phone remote control, flexible power options, smart watch remote option, patented to jam design, stable Wi-Fi connection. All of these characteristics combine to make the Spinshot-Player model the best tennis ball machine in the world. The machine's square design and extended hopper make it simple to transport and store. The machine measures only 18 by 12 by 20 inch when the ball hopper is folded down and weighs only 18 kilograms. It is small enough to fit in the trunk of any car. The metal design will make your machine stand out on the court. The front panel is used to control the system. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Furlihong 3809BH tennis ball machine. Utilizing the superior spin capabilities of the Furlihong 3809BH tennis ball machine. With the ability to set both topspin and backspin, you can practice a variety of shots in a virtual environment. Improve your ability to manage various spin variations and acquire a competitive advantage on the court. With the Furlihong 3809BH tennis ball machine's remarkable speed capabilities, get ready to boost your game. This machine, powered by a high-performance motor, can propel tennis balls at speeds of up to 68 miles per hour. Test yourself and improve your reaction time, footwork, and shot anticipation to new heights. The Furlihong 3809BH tennis ball machine has been painstakingly designed to offer unparalleled convenience to players of all ages and genders. This machine is extremely lightweight and portable, weighing only 26 pounds. You can easily maneuver the machine wherever you need it, thanks to its ergonomic 3-feet handler and well-designed wheels. This tiny machine fits smoothly, even in the passenger seat, whether you're traveling to the court or putting it in your car trunk. There will be no more difficulty or sacrifice while moving and storing your tennis ball machine. Experiment with the optional horizontal oscillator during your training. For a more dynamic training session, improve your footwork, response time, and shot selection. Use the simple remote controller to take control of your workout. You can easily start and stop the machine, allowing you more time to concentrate on your game. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best tennis ball machine list is Spinshot Pro tennis ball machine. The Spinshot brand tennis ball machine is the best model for family operate since all of its features are knob controllable and easy to operate even for children. The multifunction speed control provides a consistent ball speed ranging from 20 km/h to 110 km/h, making it suitable for both toddlers and adults. The horizontal oscillation type, with adjustable top and rear spin, allows balls to be swept over the court at random. You can practice your backhand and forehand with your children or friends. It's a lot of fun. Our revolutionary new remote watch allows you to control your equipment. The machine may be stopped and started using a simple one-button design. Remove the remote from your pocket. A battery is always present inside the power cage and can be recharged using the included charger hooked into the front panel. External battery connection. This enables battery swapping without the need to open the power cage. You can utilize additional batteries to train for longer periods of time. AC power supply module. This enables you to take power directly from a typical 230-volt AC mains plug. Instead of being limited by how much battery you have left, find a power source and work out all day. AC hybrid module. Allowing you to draw power from a mains AC outlet when available but rapidly switch to a battery kit if necessary. For details, let's watch more.